Hey there, little explorer. Curious about life on the farm? Get ready to meet the charming creatures who call it home, from woolly sheep to playful goats and everything in between. Let's embark on a farmyard adventure filled with sights, sounds, and lots of fun. Hey kids, I'm Cow. Let's say moo. Hello, I'm a sheep. Let's say with me, baa.
Hello there, I'm a goose, and I love to honk. Let's say together, honk honk. Hi, I'm a horse. Listen to my friendly whinny. Let's say with me, neigh.
Hi, I'm a chicken. Cluck cluck. Let's say together, pock pock. Hello, I'm a goat. Baa. My sound as similar as sheep. Sheep is my sister too.
Hi there, I'm a pig. Oink oink. Let's say together, oink oink. Hey, I'm a donkey. Hee haw. Let's say with me, dee true.
Hello, I'm a duck. Quack quack. Let's say with me, quack quack.
Hello there, I'm a rabbit. Hoppity hop. Let's say together, squeak squeak.
Join our Farmyard family for endless fun and furry friends. Subscribe now and hop along with us for more adorable adventures. Thank you for watching.